Hi everyone, welcome to Magic Paint Art. Today, we are making house. Are you ready? Let's get started. Now, let's paint it. It's red. It's cream. It's brown. It's white. It's green. And red. It's brown. It's yellow. It's blue. It's pink. It's red. The house is done. Now, can you spot the shapes in the house? It's triangle for the roof. Wow! It's square for the windows. It's rectangle for the door. And circle for the doorknob. It's rectangle underneath the roof. It's circle. And triangle. It's the sun. It's triangle. Circle for the apples. And rectangle from the apple tree. Excellent job! Now you learn all the shapes and color while drawing the house. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. See you on our next video. If you enjoy watching our videos, don't forget to visit our channel to explore more magic arts.